Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the New York live stream. I didn't trade the London because I didn't see much of my setups. Price was just going up in the moon to the moon. Although I must say this was a pretty good setup on 2 a.m. 2 a.m. Gave a decent RR. I mean good RR. This candle, this red candle, broke out of this whole zone, this whole range, and the issue with taking trade here was that it has already tapped this target, right? So we are not sure if the next candle wants to just tap it again and go upwards, or tap it again and go down. That's not sure. If these supports were not there and we had a clean range, I would have probably sold there somewhere around here and probably would close something around this place where I have these 2 weeks, or maybe even here. It's okay. Not all moves are ours, and we have to figure out which one is for us. Let's see if we can mark some levels around here. So we got the daily open, which might also be the 4 hour, but not sure. No, it's not the 4 hour, so let's change it. Daily open. Let's change the old time high to this one. This is a 4 hour support or 4 hour resistance. Used to be resistance, now turned into support. We got our previous monthly high down there. 4 hour resistance, turned into support. Daily open, we basically tapped this level and shooted up. Didn't even think, and I was obviously live streaming that time, but couldn't get a good entry. I was thinking if this candle would retrace, then I would add on the tracements and close the full quantity here at the break of this. It was beautiful setup. Couldn't enter, but that's okay. So this study is currently not willing to go downwards. Let's see if we see any signs on the 15. We might see something. So we might see something like a support here, then go towards the upside. That's possible. Let's check the 4 hour projection. So this 4 hour If it doesn't break this low, forms support on the 15 or 30, is likely to go towards upside or has a fake out towards downside. Same scenario, it will likely go towards the upside. For the 4 hour to move down further, it has to break this low and decisively break it, not just for liquidity like it did here. Just grab liquidity and move upwards. It has to decisively breach and it will look like a break and retest on the lower time frames. For now, we don't have anything in our pocket. Not sure if we should trade it. No setups. This is the 4 hour open. Let's see the 1 hour. So it's 4 hour open, got broke, and we are forming a wick, lower wick on 4 hour. 1 hour, 30 minutes. Let's mark this level as a 1 hour support. So based on candles around this level, I will make my decisions. So if the 15 closes like this, it will mean that the support is not broken yet. Even if it closes exactly on the green level, it will mean that the support is not broken. Also, if a 15-minute breaks out, I am not really interested in sales here because I am not sure it will drive down and not fake me out. If the 15 closes something like this, rejection from a downside, then I will plan my trade accordingly with upside in mind. So it is the end of the candle. The 1 hour might close like this, then this, and then we'll have to figure out what we have to do right here. Another thing that can happen is the 15 closes like a rejection candle closes somewhere around this level, which will mean a rejection from the downside, and the next 15 just closes back in this range. So the 1 hour won't break out and will close again in that range. It will make it really bullish. So the candle we see here this one, which we were talking about in our previous live stream. It will look something like that here, or maybe like this: rejection from a downside towards the upside to continue up. I don't see any setup on the 15 or 30 if it closes below, because uh, the move has three red grand candles. I need a green candle on the support for a breakout. Same with the 30, two continuous candles. I need a green candle at the support for me to trade a breakout. The one can be traded in this way. We have a bull candle and a bear candle, but the issue is the breakout is already happening on the lower time frames, and it's not a breakout, right? If it closes like this, surely the breakout has already happened. It's an overextended breakout, right? If it closes like this right now, it will have a huge wick. It will be considered as a rejection candle. Let's see if we have a wick towards downside or not. It will tell us more about the story which is built up right now. If we don't have a wick towards downside, we will probably fake out on this level, on the green level. We close that this support just below it and just above this support. Let's see if the last 15 of this 1 hour can guide us. But one thing that has happened is the low of the previous 4 hour is broken now. So we do have a chance to go and test this range again. Let's see what happens. I don't see any entry for us. That's alright. We still have 10 minutes to go for this candle to close and give us some sort of clue or direction. So currently the price is getting rejected from the downside at a support. If it closes back in the range or closes something like this, so it will be a good sign for candles to go bullish next. For sells, we'll have to have a green candle and its high doesn't get broken, and a sell, I mean a green candle and then a red candle closing below this range. That will be good because we are now pretty extended here. This is a pretty good range, and this is also a good range from here to here. Let's see what price gives us. If this closes below the range and then fakes out, that will be good for us. We won't sell here, but buy later. Nice. Please close like this. So if I plan along here, it will be something like this and stops below this. Wow. Close like this, bro, please. So this one hour is closing in 2 minutes. It will be good if we have a steep bottom wick first. I will have to risk more. I wanted to risk $160, $166, but it seems like I won't be able to manage risk like that. I will have to increase my stop loss. Cause two contracts, nothing, man. I won't even earn anything on this trade. Should I place a buy stop now? I think so. Just a one tick above it. I'm placing the buy order when it hits here. I would like if it gets steeper than this, but we don't know. Don't know what volume will do. Please, Caldy, just break it again. I'll enter then. The issue is this that the 1 hour, yeah, just opened. 4 hour has the last hour, right? So the issue which comes here is if this 1 hour candle has closed like this, pretty bearish, we can just make a top wick here upwards and then come down. So you want first to reject from the downside like we are doing now and then go up. I will place a buy stop now. Let me check if my stops are secure or not. Let's see if we can move from move bullish from here. Looks good. Liquidity from the downside. It was a pretty or extended move. A salary candle on the 15, and we are in. One thing I'll have to do is place a sell limit here. Place a sell limit here. I will close. I mean, I wanted to close half of the contracts, but cannot half three, right? What to do? What to do? Let's see if I close one. What happens? 84 to 90 will make me $40, right? I will close two basics. Will this close my order? That's the question. Will this close my order? Sell limit. No, it won't. Please don't close my order. Please don't close my order. Yeah, I didn't. And we'll have to change it to one. If it doesn't go up in these 9 minutes, I will have to trail my stops or close it pretty soon. So my current exposure is 3 multiplied by whatever my stop loss turns out to be. Let's calculate my stop loss first. Stop loss is 2884.7 minus 2878.1. 2878.1. 66 pips. My god, big stops. 66 multiplied by 3 is 198. Right? But if we trail our stops to here, I think I should do it right now. Yeah, so I've trailed those stops, and now entry is 2884.7, and our stops will be 2881.6, 2881.6, which is $31 multiplied by 3, and we get $93 as our risk. Let's see if we close bullish over this 1 hour range, will be good. It will mark as a fake out. Let's say we'll have to sit right through these 7 minutes, and we want to close above the range. So it will mark it as a 30 fake out, and then the highs need to be broken to continue towards the upside. If we don't close above the range, I will have to close whatever. So the 30 creates support. In the next 21 minutes, we'll have 930 by then. Potentially go towards the upside in the higher time frame direction. Give us the daily continuation. One risky thing we are doing is we are using current stops, risking $100. So we are risking less, but it's a risky move. The issue is we are getting rejected from the 1 hour level. That's not good. The 5 is closing good. Let's see what the next 5 does for the 15 closures. Let's figure out if I want to have a base hit or not. So 2890.1, 2890.1 minus 2881.6 is 85 pips. If I close one contract, I will gain $85. I think if it closes bullish and everything, it looks good to go towards the upside to again make an all-time high. So I think I should sell one here, sell another here, or maybe here, not sure the exact parameter on the first taken liquidity and going towards the upside. Let's see if it is a fake out. Hope so. So just one reason to make this one is that we are having 930 just after this. Because we are having 930, it's okay to make it $5 here because we'll have volume and we'll probably break this level at least. I'm not going to shift it though. So this is a 1 hour resistance. This will be the 4 hour open. We'll be closing some quantity above it, right? What do you think if I close another contract here or here? So I think I will be closing another contract here. Let's make this. It will be 2898.1 minus 2884.7, 74 pips. No, I made some mistake. Yeah, 2898, 134 pips. And if we close one contract here, it will make us $134. So one will make 144, one will make 84. All in all, good enough trade. So we'll sell one here, we'll sell another here, and we'll hold the third one and trail it. The issue we are having is the uh, three contracts need to be sold off if we hit our stop loss, right? So currently I will have to make it three and make this three as well. Let's see if the 15 closes above the 1 hour level. So the 15 closed above the 1 hour, and we'll most probably get our first contract sold. Let's see if this 15 candle holds the 1 hour level. And this green line as a support to go towards the upside. It will show that the buyers are aggressive and have pretty good volume. That also needs to close above the 1 hour level for us to continue towards the upside. I will be back in a minute. My stops will take care of my account, right? See you. See you in a minute or two. And the 15 is tracing right now. 5 close good. No wicket at the bottom. In these 9 minutes, we'll have to close above the level and hope we don't get struck out. Yeah, the sellers are getting activated. Let's see if the buyers are still holding around. The 1 minute structure is holding. That's good. Nice. A good bottom wick for the 15. And we are going towards the upside. Testing again. Testing the highs. I see volume. I see volume. That's pretty good. Volume in our favor. The 5 minute looks good, but the 1 minute looks money man. Taking support on the 21 EM to the towards upside. The 5 should close above the resistance. Little bit. So the 5 minute resistance did not break. Let's see what this last 5 minute does. We do have support though. 5 minutes came to break the law but couldn't. Now moving towards upside. The 5 minute trend looks pretty good. Five candles back to back, bullish, one bearish, and then potentially another bullish leg towards the upside. It will be great if we hit our first TP before the 3 minutes. These 3 minutes, and yeah, that would be cool. Also, 30 closer like this, or maybe one stronger, will be money for us. Nice push. So that is closing like this. I will move my first take profit up a bit. We are having volume right off the bat on the open of the 930 candle. Let's see. Good move right off the bat. Pretty good move. 5 minute bullish structure should be maintained. Even I should say that the 5 minute lows should be maintained from now. Just as the first contract goes off for me, I will modify the order to contracts. So the first take profit for me will be 921 minus 847, $74. And the second one, so the first take profit is $74. Then the second one will make me $188. Let me correct it here. TP one $74. Maybe two. Let's subtract two for the commissions. We can. $74. Make it 72. Right. What about the second one? So the second one will give me $188. Come on, hit it. I will close it manually. No, I cannot close it manually, man. Yeah, that's good that the remote code executed. If I would have closed manually, the order would have get cancelled. Close it manually, or I would have to sell market with one contract. So the first take profit is executed. Second is 981 minus 847. 981 minus 847. $134. Let's write it down. T P 2 $134. Right. Now let me move my stop loss. First, let's make it 2, or let's make it 1. So we do have one sell stop and one sell limit here. And let's move the sell stop up till this point. Let's write our risk profile as well. So was 5 minute closed above the Ferrari open. That's great. Was risking $198 initially. Trailed it quickly to 98, or let's say $100. Okay. Then now stops are in profit. Now stops are in profit. Nice. One thing I will do is sell limit with one, and I will use this order as my sell order. So this bracket order with the sell limit and a sell stop will remain. If we are having a sell limit here, should also have a sell stop here. Enough reaction, just go up now. Stop one and sell. Let's figure out how much we'll make on these two sell stops if they get hit. So 869. I am just reading the last three digits here. 869 minus 847 for the entry. So 847 makes me $22 for one contract, so $44 for two contracts. TP1 is hit, so let me write it as made 72 on TP1 and then 40. I'm reducing $4 for the contract commissions, $40 for trailing stops. This is good if the 5 minute closes like this on the polar open and the next 5 minute breaks out, or it's also possible that this 5 minutes closes over. Let's let's see what happens first. Last sell limit. Let's see where we can get it. So if we break the all-time highs, I don't know, 30 pips, 50 pips from the current all-time high, 96 pips. So the all-time high was 1901. We can see 1910 just because the 4 hour was going bullish, and the bullishness, the liquidity graph to go bullish again. Now again we have a liquidity gap, so there is this big possibility that the all-time high is great broken and we go 100 points above it. This move was 250 points, so trying to get 100 points is kind of sensible for now, and I will be trading it on 1 hour or 30 minutes or whatever I can. Let's see what gold is in our favor. For now we'll be having a 5 minute pullback. That's okay. Just as I described, this 5 minute closed bearish. The sellers were activated here and The buyers can push and break it above here. Standard liquidity graph concept. Let's see if they do. Let's see our profit. So one calculation mistake I did was that this TP1 I have made $70 and not 72 because the commissions are on both sides. So for all the trailing stops, the trailing stops will be $36. Now the one thing I'll have to decide is take profits here or to stay break even, move my stops for this 5 minute candle to grab liquidity and go for the upside. Because I am just earning approximately $30 and that does not means much in the grand scheme of things. But if I get stopped out, I want its profit. So the 15 is getting severely rejected here. I'm going to, oh no. So my trading stops were hit and let's see how much I have earned. $111 for the day. The only issue is that I was still stopped out of it. That's not fair, man. So I was thinking if I should trail it or not, and I am probably still stopped. I can still enter now, but I will be risking much. Not sure. Yes, I will be entering with two contracts. I have entered with two contracts and The sell stop will be right at the break of these lows. So let's calculate 861 minus 901 minus 861, 40 pips of stops. Wait a second, I'm calculating it wrong. My entry was on 895. 895 minus the stops will be at 861. 861, 34 pips, and I am risking $68 in this trade. So I have a sell stop. The first sell limit will be here, and another sell limit will be trade with the stops. So I had made $111. है ना? Let me change. Trailing SL hit and liquidity grab. Should have moved it, man, but it is what it is. Trailing SL got hit in liquidity grab, then $111 secured currently risking what did I calculate? $70, $68, right? So currently risking $68. If my stops get hit, I will make $40 something. Yeah. Let's see what this market has for us. We already have a liquidity grab, so we should move lower than this. Obviously, we are creating higher highs and higher lows, as you can see. So stops are safe for now. Once we hold the 4-hour open as the support, we'll be going for the upside. We'll have good volumes as well. Pretty good trade up till now. We have this trend line break, this trend line, and for our open gates, we tested it will be good. I just forgot that there is news in 10 minutes. Will be a red folder news, most probably. Let's see what impact it can deal to us. The news is called ISM Services PMI. Okay, ISM Services PMI. What was the last time this news came? So this news comes every month, right? Let's check December 2024 for more details. No, I mean January 2024 is also good, right? So let's go 1st of January and we'll see how this news affects. We had this same exact news on January 3, 10 a.m. Let's set the candle. January 3, 10 a.m. Let's go with 30-minute time frame. January 3, I am coming for you. We just missed January 3. 10 a.m. Yes, 10 a.m. Let's find price now. Wow, price was much lower when January. We have been pretty bullish. Price was around 2671. Wow, so many levels crossed. The monthlies, the weeklies, so many levels. It's 2664. Wow, we moved so much in just 1 month. Here we see some price. Nice. The 10 m candle 9:30 was here, and the 10 m gave a continuation on the Friday, Jan 2025. And it does not look super big. That's cool. That's cool for us. Ah, yes, I should also check the December one. So the December, we had this exact same news on 4th of December, 10 a.m. Let's go back. 4th December, where are you? Yes. So 10 a.m. candle on 4th of December gave a continuation on the overall trend. That's nice to hear. Let me just reset the chart and we'll be back. We are back, guys. That was a crazy ride. Nostalgic ride, yeah. I think the trend line has been tested, so we have had a bearish close above the 4-hour open. We have tested it, and now we are trying to move bullish. Close above the 5-hour resistance. It will be money, money, money. 1530. Let's figure out if you want to take our take profit here or to wait for the all-time high to break. So if you hold the 4-hour open as a support, right, the 4-hour is bullish. One hour candle will close above the 4 hour, so will surely break the all-time highs. Let's take our profits at the all-time highs on 15. No, we don't see any 15 and 5. Yes, we do see a 5 resistance. So we'll be closing just before it. But we need a strong close on the 5. Should I go break even? Is a good question. Let's say the 13. So stops will be below the previous 30. I think those are the safe stops to have, as well as the previous 15. I shouldn't trail my stops based on arbitrary break-even numbers, right? If I want to stay in this trade, if I don't want to stay in this trade, I can just close it right here, which I'm not going to do. Wow, good push towards the upside. Will surely hit my first take profit pretty soon, and will move higher and higher. Come on, Goldie, hit my take profit. We have made $100 currently. Don't don't retrace. Please, bro, please. Don't retrace. If you get rejected from there, there will be no hope. Should I put my stops here? Should I trail my stops? I think I should. But where to trail them? That's a big question. I think below the 5 level will be good for now. This low technically should not get broken. If it does, it should get broken by a few pips, and it should take some liquidity to just go upside. It looks good and clean to move towards the upside. Our take profit one was $70. Let's see what our take profit two has to give to us. 115. Nice. So we'll change it to 115 plus whatever $40 we made, $36. Let's add 35 to it, which will make it 35 turns out to be $150, right? So let's say the difference $150. Gold looks pretty bullish. Nice. 5 minutes will have a great close, and I'll be back in a minute, hopefully to see my TP get hit. Patent resistance. The 5 minute low is right at resistance of the 15-minute chart. Same with the 30 and the 1 hour. So the 1 hour has a close above on the 5 minute chart. That's decent. That's cool. Let's see. All I see is tight consolidation, which is a good sign for us. Nice. It's good if volatility drops and we are not coming down, but we are going towards the upside in a good push like this. The volatility just contracts, contracts, contracts until we see a big push. And then again it contracts, contracts for the eventual push. I don't like the current 5 minute candle though. It can come back down here to create the bottom wick. Let's see. So we are having our stops back in the range. Hope they survive. I mean, they should survive. If they don't survive, but well, just below support. That's a good enough bottom pick already. Either take out the sellers or just push. The only thing I wanted to do is push. We have two options. Either to push right now or take the sellers out and then push. I have cleared all the stops, but the current stops are little bit risky because they are not below some 15 or 30-minute candle. That's why they are risky. If this 15-minute flips and comes down to make a support, it can also come all the way back down here for break-even point. Don't know what to do, don't know what to do. Should I have closed it here? Wow. So it was just a $20 profit and I risked my entire position here. Wow. But anyways, I am a holder and I want to see pushes. I can stay in for a long time if there is a prospect of big dollar amounts. This is definitely not a like this is definitely not a home run type of situation where I am just trying to hit home runs. I obviously had my TP1. Looking at the market conditions, the 930 volatility, it was good to stay in this trade for a bit longer. 5 minute has come down and closed with some sort of rejection from the downside. That's good to see. We have closed above this range. And let me mark it so I can see it on the lower time frames. That's good. One more push and rejection, and we just go straight to the TP2. I will still make around $100 in this trade. Let's calculate. So 930 is my trailing stop minus 895, which is my entry. 18 pips for two contracts makes it $36. Nice. 36 and reduce the commissions, it will come up to be $30. TP1 is $70 and now we have $30. And also the trailing stops, so 40. Somewhere around $150 will be made in this trade. Even if I don't win it right now. So even if my trailing stops get hit, I will make decent money. $140. Should I update it? Yes, I should. Where is the text? Where is the text? So the risk is gone, right? 100 is secured and $30 will be made. $30 in trailing stop loss. I obviously don't want my trailing stop loss to hit, but this sell limit which I have placed at the top of the range I think this closure is important in many aspects. So if it closes above this level, it will be better. If it closes above the 50% mark of this candle, like above the halfway, it will be better. In this closer, we won't cut the corner and price might risk more. Anyways, I made my money right. $140 on a trade, risking initially risking $200 and then risking 190. Sorry, $100. Yeah, it's okay. So this is the 4.5 level, and a closure above the zero point 0.5 level will be good, better. It seems like it is closing above the zero point 0.5 level. That's nice to see. Bullish 5-minute candle, great. Good enough 15, great. So all those boxes are getting checked. Come on, Goldie, it is time to hit our stake profit. I cannot stream for too much long because I don't have disk space available. So the recording will stop. Okay. And also I will have to go for dinner. Time is going, ticking. It will be great if the TP, this TP gets it before I go to for dinner, right? And I'm thinking of managing it on my phone. So let me search how to manage your trading view trades on phone. Let's see the 5 minutes here. Looking good. The resistance is technically broken if we are considering the high of this red candle. closure of the resistance or even this candle can take us out of the market. It will take us half of the out of the market, though the other half will have to wait till 45, 42. Yeah. So this stop can be converted into limit. I don't want to convert it to limit. The resistance is broken and we are close to it. That's a good news. See the higher highs and higher lows are maintained on the 1 minute chart really beautifully. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. And then again, higher high, this higher low, higher high, and we are going for a higher low. Finally hit my TP. Hopefully. No candles should close below this. If any candle closes below this, it will come down to retest to the 4-hour one and won't even go bullish after that. Most probably. I have $200 in profit. That's nice to see. So the 15 and 30 has a pretty good chance to break out of this range. Let me mark it. Let's mark it with a new rectangle. Let's see how this 5 closes. It is currently showing us a fake out. Probably give a lower wick to this 15-minute candle. So I am a bit worried it should not stop us out. The sellers are pretty aggressive here. Let's see. This low is not broken yet. Buyers are stepping in, but the sellers are also holding. Let's see. If this low gets broken, the 15 will also get broken, and we will pretty surely hit the 4 hour. We are having a resistance getting formed if this closes like this. Current candle closes like this. But it won't break out. We do have 5 minutes to go. Pulling back right now. Let's see if it pulls back all the way through, getting that liquidity and move towards the upside. Should I trail my stops? Good question to ask. I will make $100 instead of 40 or 30. I think I should. Let's see how the 5 minute closes here. Okay, the 5 minute closed bearish. And this low is broken. This low also will broken most probably, and we are gone. It's hard to trail here psychologically, not in any other way. Psychologically, it is hard to trail. I want to get this get broken first so that we have created a structure, so as to say. We have a low that has not broken the prior low, but the higher high is not created yet. Let's see the 5 minute structure. It's pretty interesting. Higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows up till now. Should I close the full amount at this all time high? Well, everything is saying don't close. 115 minutes, $16. Let's say $110 will be made. Two contracts will make 100 and sorry $220. So $220 along with this 70 will make $300. Nice, pretty nice. All the trade. If I trail it here, I will make $100. $100 here. 2 minutes to go, and it should close above these zone, these levels and this zone. Looking pretty good now. Nice. Last 1 minute. Currently, it seems like it is closing above the range. That will be good. 16, 17 seconds to go. I think if it closes above, we will instantly go and hit TP. Don't go back, Goldie. Yeah, it is closing at the resistance. It did not close above. Kind of a bummer. What should we do? What should we do? What to do? I think first of all, we should trail our stops. Should we? I don't even remember where my daily stop was. Let's see this candle. Have to decide if it tries to break above and breaks this low. We should be out because that will make it test the lower side of the range. Still not broken bow. Hard, pretty hard. Although the 30 has closed above the 1 hour level. That's a good indication for continuation. Good enough in my books. If it breaks the high, I won't have to even think about trading stop because I will have gone 1, 2, and 3 around 30h. Yeah, the resistance is the 80h for this or maybe the next candle. Good push here, even if we did not close above. Let's see the forex chart here. Maybe we closed above on the forex chart, and that's why it is pushing towards the upside. So the forex chart has closed at the 80h, and it has definitely closed above. I, I should place my stops below the previous 15, right? But the 15 already has liquidity grabs. Mm, I have my stops below 30. Not sure if it will act like a magnet for liquidity grab and then move upside. Currently, we are having a rejection. Should hold these levels though. So I'm up $176, and if I trail below these levels, I will be locking at least $100. Tough to trade the all-time highs. It's good that we are consolidating because if we were not consolidating, we would have pulled back. Wait a second. Was I just blabbering for several minutes without even my mic being turned on? I just don't know. Let's check. Yeah, I think most probably I was just talking into nothingness. My mic was turned off. My space is running out and I don't want my recording to close or stop. So let's just connect hard drive and paste it. No, I won't be able. The trade is looking good, but I won't be able to manage the trade because I want to manage my storage space. I'll have to remove my mic for a bit. Hello, we are back, and my TP2 got hit. Let's calculate. Let's calculate the profit I have made. Let's just open MFFU. I'm definitely not a robot. Trust me. Trust me, my funded features. Why would a robot trade you? Sign in. Sign me in, bro. Why wait? So we were up $134 yesterday, and what was our equity? 50,134. Currently, we have equity of 1,357. So 357 minus 134 is 357 minus 134 is $223. That's nice. Let me write it here. So $223 are secured, and let's calculate the trailing SL amount we have. 30 minutes looks pretty good. Trail. I think I should trail it up to this point. Should I trail it on the 15? That's also a possibility. Wow, what an uptrend, man. Caught it right from here, the first candle, and survived all of this. Just a good day, pretty good day. I hope gold continues this bullish momentum until I complete the challenge. It will be money, money. So if I have my stops here, it will be from zero point 0.6 to zero point 0.5. It will be, I have not, yeah, 60 pips in profit. So $60 will be the profit that we would have logged in. What if I reel myself stop here, just below the all-time highs? This is a good zone, right? So drilling around here would be good enough. 15 minutes. I think I should put it just below the level. This support, whatever. Let's see now how much. 0.52, 79 pips. That's better, I think. I will be going to have my dinner and might manage from there. Let's change it to 75, let's say. 20 plus 75 makes me around $300. So I will be making at least $300 on this move. Good. And if I close it right here, it will be probably 400. I will be back after about an I will back up after about half an hour. Let me turn my mic and my video off. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, hello, hello. Yeah, I'm back and I did a terrible mistake. I did not change the stop loss from two contracts to one contract. Should have changed it because the one contract, half of my position was sold at the top. But that's all right because I have made money on this. I should not do such mistakes. If you do this, I'm going to book it. See ya. Bye. Accidental cells. Nice. Let's see how much I have made today. It says $349 total PNL. Nice. Good. Good. Pretty nice. My account is at $50,483. I was thinking of closing it here on my mobile phone. I was watching it and I couldn't see any options to close it because I have not logged in into my broker on my mobile phone app. But that's okay. Would have made an additional $70 out of nothing. No trade, no setup, just execution mistake, and would have made it. What was my highest take profit? I think my highest take profit was here. Yeah, this is the final trade we had. Let's see it on the 15 minutes. Looks crazy good. Took it on the break of those highs and held it till this candle, and the stop loss was there. First contract was executed. So let's recap the trade. Let's go on to the weekly chart. The weekly chart had gapped up, went down to take support from this 3 month level, then came back up, broke its own high, broke the neighbor's high, is going up at this moment. The daily had some sort of resistance on the Friday. On Friday, we broke the lows after gapping up. We broke the lows, went down, and kind of broke it, but didn't. This candle broke it, and if this candle, the Tuesday candle broke it, the the Wednesday candle should continue towards the upside. We did have an entry in the Asian session. Let me take you back to this point. I was wondering if I should enter it or not. I should have entered because of the fake out, because the uptrend and also the EMA was there. 30 minute was super good, but I was coming from three losses, and I was not sure if volume would come. And if I would have taken the trade, I might have not captured the whole move. It might have been just somewhere around here. But if someone who would have trailed it again and again, it would be money, money, money. Couldn't capture the whole move on the daily candle, but I will take note of that, and who knows, I might capture a scalp trade, a system trade on the daily. So let's come back to this trade now. When I came to the charts, I saw this 8 am candle closing below support. I was thinking if I should take sells or not, but the issue was it was an overextended breakout. If this candle had a wick and a closure around here, I would have took the trade, but yeah, I didn't. Then it came back down, tap target. So of course, this candle can go towards downside, or maybe even touch it and reject, or maybe not even go towards downside and fake it out towards the upside. I was not sure, so I'm glad that I did not take any sell here. The people who would have sold it made some money. That's all right. Now for the 15 minutes, when I entered, it closed as a rejection from the downside. This is my favorite candle out of all the candles, all the types of candles, hammers, Marabozo, Doji, this, that, because it most probably will be the end of a trend, end of a swing. See this candle, rejection from the upside, melted down. See this candle, rejection from the downside, melted. See this candle, reaction from the upside, melted down. See this candle, reaction from the downside is going up. So favorite setup. The 15 closed like this. There was still a chance that we could close below this range, and I was thinking on that possibility. So it was a little bit of risky trade, but I was thinking to capture some more pips as the 30 closed. So this was the first candle of the 30 minutes, and the second candle closed above this 1 hour range. On the 30, it turned out to be a fake out. Let me show you. So this was the candle, and the second candle of this 30-minute was a rejection from the downside. You can see this wick. It was our confirmation candle, and just when the second 30-minute, sorry, just when the second 15-minute candle, uh, the candle's highs were broken, I took a buy position. 3 contracts SL below the low of this candle, and I was expecting it to go towards the upside. Now, when this candle began to form and crossed the high of the previous candle, I trailed my stops to somewhere around here. The reason being that although it was risky trade, but it was already risky trade, right? So trailing my stops would just risk less money on this risky trade, right? That's the reason. Then it broke its high and closed above. The 30 fake out happened. The 1 hour was pretty bearish at that point. So you can see the 1 hour closed strong bearish. If the 30 fake out, there is a pretty good chance that the next 30 candle, the second 30 minutes candle, would go in the direction. That's what eventually happened. This was the so yeah, the 30 minutes candle. This candle was the 9:30 a.m. candle, and just in the first few minutes it broke its high and went towards the upside. First take profit was taken here around this level. Then the second take profit was taken at this level at the top. So yeah, this was the first TP. This was my second TP, and the third TP was most probably executed here at the break of this low on the 15 minutes time frame. So if I tell it accurately, it was more probably it is, I put it just there. So take profit one, take profit two, and take profit three. And there was one time when I got liquidated on this candle. This was a green candle. Let me turn off the drawings for a second. This was a green candle, and I was putting my stops just below it. I did uh, have some gap, but I was still stopped out. I was thinking to move back my stops, but couldn't do it. It was an 11 pip liquidity grab, and then it continued up. So when it was continuing up, let me show it here. This 5 minute brokerage loss. It was pretty quick reaction, and I got stopped out around here. So from here, I was it go back till here. It was a 30 pip move in just 1 2 minutes. So I was like, it was just a liquidity grab. So let me buy it up again. I took a risk of around $70. So I lost 70 and I then again risked $70 to capture this whole move. So I have to be more conscious with liquidity grabs, but it was a decent enough chance. Then just followed it on the 15 minutes time frames. There's this trade my stops. And when I went for dinner, I put my stop loss at this level and forgot to change the position size from 2 to 1. So I was in with two contracts at this point, and one contract got closed at the top, and I didn't close it. Sorry, it didn't change the contract size on the sell stop because I was in a hurry to get to dinner. So that's why I came back and had a little sweet profit of $50. That was nice to have. Pretty good treat. This is it for today's trade. The account balance is not updated here. This is previous day's balance and drawdown and metrics. Today we made a profit of $400. Sorry, am I right? Is it 400? No, it is $350. And our account balance is now at $1,480. So let's just quickly calculate our metrics. Let's start with scheme on India initially drilled $200. Stops and profit made by $72 on TP1. Nice. Then 36 for telling stops, TSL in liquidity gap, secure 23, then 75, total $300 was secured. Then forgot to update the trailing stop before going to dinner and came back to see unintended short with a $50 profit. Closing the day at $349 profit. So day one minus $34. Day two it was plus $1,500. Day three was a loss of $1,333. These numbers are pretty good, rounded off, and there is some kind of neurology here, definitely. So let me write it minus $1,333, and then they added $349 to the bag. So this is the current status of everything. Let's calculate the total profit at the end. I think the profit is shown here, $483.80. So $483 total profit of plus $493. That's nice. Let's calculate the drawdown. So yesterday I had a drawdown of $666, and if we add today's profit, it turns out to be I will have to use a calculator for this calculation. 666 added with 349 gives me 1015. Pretty good. So I have recovered one of those losses. No, I think I have recovered two of those losses. Two more remain. So if I make $985, the drawdown will be recovered. $984.85 more to recover the drawdown. Nice. We'll come back again for a base hit. We'll try to make $500 out of it. Let's see. Let's see if we can clear this account in this week or not. So today's Wednesday. We'll have Thursday and Friday as well. 2 days and 4 sessions remaining for the week. I will try to close it strong, at least try to recover from this drawdown, and we will see if we can get above the drawdown and get into good profits. Profit is still $500 only, so Target turns out to be target turns out to be $2,517, which is surely a big number, but you can do it. Just stay consistently profitable, and we will be able to achieve this number. Today we made a profit of $349 on a drawdown of $666. So that's a clear 35% increase if my math is not wrong. Let's calculate it. So 666, 349. How do we calculate such a thing? 349 divided by 666. It's a 52% increase. So it means that on the day 4, it was plus 52 percentage in a single trade, and that's phenomenal. I was trying to make around 50 percentage. Yeah, so I was trying to make $333 so that the drawdown turns out to be around $1,000. It's good that we made $15 extra thanks to the courtesy of this $50 profit we had unintentionally. That's it for today, and we will recover the rest of the drawdown. And the series got interesting because of the four consecutive losses I had. This was a pretty bad day, and it got interesting. And honestly, I learned so much after this day three. I was kind of sad to make such mistakes, execution wise as well as trading decisions wise. But I took some time out of like I took some time to think about the losses and try to think what could have I done differently. Then today in the Asian session, I did a live stream talking about my losses and what were the mistakes I did in these 3 days and what was my plan to recover. Another good thing I did that was follow my rules. The last thing I did on day three was follow my rules, which I announced previously on the stream that I would have only one loss per session. So I quit after the first loss of NY. I could have made profit just after that, but I did not take the trade because my rules were important for me. Day four, same thing. Rules were rules, and rules should not be broken in trading, otherwise, you will be broke. I said, guys. Pretty good. That's it for today. I've explained everything. Let's hope to see another beautiful day, and we'll clear this account soon. Let us see you tomorrow. I'll stop streaming.